nice clean ridges. So you guys go ahead.
At Tarkett, a vision that we have is to see that our flooring is installed in accordance with our recommendations and industry standards, and partnering with Install, we're confident that we can achieve those outcomes because of the well-trained men and women that are part of the Install program.
It is not just a dealer, it's not the installer, it's not the customer, it is a partnership including the manufacturers as well.
The relationship between manufacturing and installers is going to become even more critical over time. We view that as a true partnership.
Nearly 20 years ago, there was an interest in the industry between manufacturers and the installers and uniting together to say, how can we align with an industry that changes every 6 months?
Having the ICRA certification is a way of differentiating our installers from other installers and saying, we're well versed in how to work in your facility, how to help you keep your infection under control.
And so our people, they're safety trained, they're infection control trained, and they're also skills trained.
It continually happens with education events that the manufacturer will inform the architect and the end user along with the installation company.
So together we can collaborate and we can deliver tangible results.
As an architect, you can always design things. You have this concept and this idea, and you want to make sure that gets transmitted and implemented into the field. So we look at who's going to be bidding on a project, who's going to be involved, and that these are installations that they can handle and are trained for. And the fact that they are an install contractor, we know that they meet the requirements of the industry standards to implement and install these materials per the manufacturer specifications. There's so many different aspects where you can get very creative, and the quality of installation is really that impact of that design. That's that showpiece. And an install contractor is going to work with you and make sure that that idea and concept is played through. In the end, everybody will be happy with it.
A cooperative in this industry is, in our case, is a collective of independent commercial flooring dealers or contractors that are nationwide and in Canada. And what we do for them is effectively give them a larger voice in the industry. And StarNet's collaboration with Install is very important. We partner with Install, connecting with our companies that are union. And one of our goals is obviously training. And in the installation area, there's no greater training program than Install.
Today we've grown to more endorsers than any other union and any other trade of endorsing the training, which we all stand united together and continue to grow with the warranty program and certification that our carpenters have to take and get themselves recertified on a continuing basis.
Mr. David's an install contractor. Our manufacturers are all aware of our abilities in the field, and they have a great deal of trust for our installers, which is why we only use install certified contractors.
Perfect.
Install in general provides much more to the industry.
So that's why these manufacturers also are looking for dealers that are install certified as well, because it just eliminates problems.
Having the install certification for the installers is a necessity, especially as we grow and we get bigger.
And to be the contractor who approaches an end user with that type of certification under our belts puts us a step ahead of the other guy.